Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to go over 10 kick-ass side hustles I've researched that you can start today. I will also include some bonus side hustles near the end of this video. So please watch this entire video to see what you can learn today. So do you like not having the amount of money that you really want or deserve?
I would rather chew off my own foot.
Okay, well let's not do that. I will make this a lot less painful for you than chewing off your own foot. I promise. First, let me start off by saying the majority of these side hustles will benefit greatly from the use of social media. I will discuss how social media can help you with each of these side hustles. There are some things that I want you to know before we start that will help these side hustles make more sense to you. Turn your passions and hobbies into side hustles. What do I mean by that? Well, I love finance, motivation, and wealth, and here I am on a YouTube channel sharing my knowledge to help others in this arena. Do you watch a lot of documentaries? Do you read a lot of books? These are hobbies or passions of yours that could be monetized into side hustles by doing book reviews or your own video documentaries on YouTube, your own blog, or both. I am a history buff. Several YouTube channels have received several viewing hours from me watching events from World War I, World War II, the Great Depression, the Roaring '20s, and much more. I am a believer in to know our future, we must know our past. If you agree, then please smash that like button and subscribe if you have not already, as this will help out the channel a lot. Okay, let's get started. Number 1, Social Media Manager. If you already post regularly to your social media accounts and understand how they work, then you are over halfway to becoming a social media manager. Many small business owners are over the age of 50 and do not regularly use social media. Even some of those under the age of 50 just don't have enough time to run their social media accounts, since most of their time is spent running their business. This is a huge opportunity for you. You could even start off by choosing one client. Run their social media campaigns for the first month for free. They will of course have to pay any ad spend, but your time will be free. Just let them know the only thing you ask in return is to be able to use them as a reference. If all goes well, they will start to use you as their paid social media manager moving forward, and you will have a great reference to start hiring other clients. There are several tools that help you automate your social media posting process. My current favorite tools are Later.com, Postplanner.com, and Hootsuite. I will leave links in the description below for all three. Number 2, start a YouTube channel. I will admit, starting a YouTube channel can be a scary process, but trust me, it is not. I wanted to do this for years, but was a little afraid to start. But once I started, I was upset with myself for not starting sooner. The key here, as discussed earlier in this video, is to start a YouTube channel around a hobby or something you are passionate about. If you can solve a problem for someone with your hobbies and passions, that is a win-win. The problem could just be boredom, or more in depth like learning how to invest in the stock market. Do you love reading books? Then do book reviews. Do you love playing video games? Then screen record or live stream your gameplay while explaining your gaming strategies. This can be done on Twitch as well. Check out other YouTubers and see what they are doing. Check out how many views they have. Can you do it better? These are just a few questions you can ask yourself. This will take time to earn money, but I recently ran across a YouTuber that says he went from a little over 200 subscribers to over 200,000 subscribers from his 7th or so video to his 8th or so video. Since the current monetization threshold for YouTube is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours, it appears he made it there in less time than most, but with amazing content. The content matters. Number 3, blogging. Blogging pretty much uses the same rules as YouTube, but with more keyword research involved. I use KW Finder as my keyword research tool. I will leave a link in the description below. Blog about your hobbies and passions. The readers will be able to feel your enthusiasm. That will go a long way to bring your readers back and for those readers to suggest your blog to others. When it comes to blogging, I feel that you need to use social media a lot in this process. This is coming from personal experience. Keyword research will only take you so far. If you can give it a jump start by using social media, that will make this entire process more delightful. I would set up a Facebook page, Instagram account, and a Pinterest account first. Of course, you can add Twitter to this list as well. Before you even start your blog, you can start sharing information from the internet around the exact same topics you would like to share in your blog. This will let you know if there's any actual interest in this topic or topics. And as discussed in the previous topic of becoming a social media manager, there are several tools like Later.com, Postplanner.com, and Hootsuite that can help you post to all your social media platforms at once. Oh yeah, as a reminder, near the end of this video, I will share some or should I say less social media related side hustles that you can think about. So stay tuned for that. But first, since you have made it this far, please like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, back to the video. Number 4, affiliate marketing. Again, this will use most, if not all, of the information in the blogging section of this video, including the use of social media, keyword research, and in relation to your hobbies or passions. Make sure you only promote reputable products and services. If you don't, then don't expect good sales. You should write blog posts and social media posts around these products or services. So this is where your passion comes into play. Setting up an Instagram account using your one website link in your bio as the affiliate link is highly suggested. Just make sure that what you post to Instagram and all social media platforms for that matter relates in some manner to the affiliate product or service. Also, running ads to promote this affiliate is recommended. I personally like to use Facebook and Instagram ads, but please do your own research since other ad platforms may work better for you. One of the most widely used affiliate websites is Amazon Associates or Affiliates. This site works with website cookies. For a certain amount of time, if they use your link and make a purchase, you will receive a percentage of their purchase, even if the purchase is not the item you are promoting. There are several ways to use affiliate marketing. Just do more research. I have only touched the tip of the iceberg with what we discussed in this video. Number 5, review website. I won't go into much detail here since this will use most of the same concepts as in blogging and affiliate marketing. This is because the items you will review, you should be using affiliate links whenever possible. As an example, if you find some software like video editing software with a free trial period, you can review several and rank them. Hopefully most of them will have some type of affiliate program. This can be done for physical products as well, but there will of course be upfront costs for the physical product purchase. Now you can start with a single item review of items you already own. I still want to do a review of my Ninja Foodie. This is one of the best purchases I have ever made. My best purchase this year for sure. Number 6, write a book. Now to writing a book. This is the first item on this list where I have no personal experience, but my sister does and she has taught me a lot to go along with my own personal research. This could be more time consuming than the other items on this list, but if you like to write, then this may be for you. Also, spending the time now could lead to a passive income stream for years to come. Today, you don't have to worry about finding a publisher. You can do this all yourself. My sister has self-published several books, ebooks, and paperback books using Amazon's KDP or Kindle Direct Publishing. I will leave a link in the description below. If you have awesome ideas in your head of something you want to write about, then write about it. Set up a social media account like Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Instagram to promote your books. Take your followers through your entire book writing journey. Let them know when you have finished a chapter, when a new character has been introduced into your book, and when you are in the proofreading process. This will keep them involved and want to purchase the book as soon as it hits the stands. Number 7, sell products for others. I've seen several shops around town where people sell products for others on Amazon, eBay, and Facebook Marketplace, just to name a few. Why can't you do this yourself? You would not even have to receive the products yourself. Have the seller send you the pictures that you want and promote them yourself. Once the product sells, you send the buyer's name and their mailing address to the seller. You send the seller their money minus your seller's fees, and the seller takes care of all the shipping themselves. I can hear the questions now. Why would someone do this? Not everyone is tech savvy, so if you are, then use that skill to make yourself a little side money. Of course, you can promote your services on any and all social media platforms. Number 8, sell environmentally friendly products. The Going Green initiative is a huge niche or industry these days. Many people want to save the earth, me included. You will need to promote on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Instagram. I really like Instagram. Get the following on Instagram first to see if there is a lot of interest. Test out several hashtags and see what others are selling on Instagram in the same niche. Following this process will also help give you other ideas. The thing here is you will be creating the product or products yourself, will be using drop shipping, or you will buy in bulk from places like Alibaba.com. This is a question for you to ponder depending on the item or items you choose. Whatever you do, start small, and if it takes off, then you can expand your business. There are several ways to sell your products as we listed in the previous section of this video. Amazon, eBay, and Facebook Marketplace, just to name a few. But with this, you have the option of creating a storefront on Shopify. I will leave a link in the description below. Let your imagination go wild. Number 9, freelance services. Fiverr and Upwork are the first places that come to mind, but there are a lot of sites where you can sell your freelance services. Again, I would think about your passions and hobbies first. Do you like to write? Then you can write blog post articles for others. Can you build WordPress websites? Then build WordPress websites for others. Are you an artist? Then you have several options here. Create comic characters or logos for others. Another route for creating logos for others is a site I love to use called placeit.net. I will leave a link in the description below. But this is a site where you can create logos, t-shirt designs, mock-ups, and much more. Placeit.net charges a small monthly fee or a per item fee, and then you can charge a higher fee on Fiverr and Upwork and other freelance sites. Your services will automatically be promoted by Fiverr, Upwork, or whatever site you choose, but you should still self-promote on social media platforms. More traffic is a good thing. Number 10, virtual assistant. Many people and businesses are working from home these days, not to mention that several startups or small businesses start from home. These will more than likely be very busy people trying to do 20 things at once. Because of these factors, virtual assistants have been becoming very popular over the years. I will say this, you should naturally be an organized person, otherwise this is not for you. People will be hiring you to simplify their lives, and this can only be done with great organizational skills. The cool thing here is that you could have several clients at once. You may not work all day for each client, or some clients may only need you to work on projects, while others may only need you to screen phone calls and schedule appointments. You can promote this service on previously discussed freelance sites like Fiverr and Upwork, and of course on our much-loved social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Instagram. Other notables: stock photo contributor like Storyblocks and Shutterstock. I will leave links in the description below. This could also turn into passive income. Video editing, photo editing with Photoshop and presets. I will leave some links in the description below for this as well. Dog walker, handyman, property manager, and passive investing with stocks, bonds, and ETFs. This is just a list to get you started. There are several side hustles. We will discuss a lot more in later videos. So again, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Conclusion and closing. The main thing to take away here, people, is to not be afraid to start your new side hustle today. Who knows, it may become your main hustle. And if you've made it this far in the video, type main hustle in the comments below. Another thing to remember is you will probably fail with some of your side hustles, but it will be a learning process where you will figure out more side hustles that you are more passionate about, and these will lead you to make the money that you dream of. I have tried several side hustles, and many of the successful side hustles came from ideas I had from side hustles that failed. You will never know until you try. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out the links below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell, as it will help out this channel a lot. Check out one or both of the videos listed here on this page. And as always, learn more, hustle on, and power through. Thank you, and see you all in just a few minutes.